In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a chart as a CSV file in MetaTrader 5. It's a straightforward process, but by breaking it down step by step, you'll see just how simple it is. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up the MetaTrader 5 platform on your computer. If it's not already running, go ahead and launch the program. Once you have the platform open, navigate to the specific chart that you wish to save. This chart could be for any financial instrument available on MetaTrader 5, like currencies, stocks, or indices. Make sure the chart is displaying the data you're interested in preserving. With your chart ready, let's move to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the File menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Here, you'll need to select the Save As option. Clicking this will bring up a new window, giving you a few choices to customize your save settings. In the window that appears, focus your attention on selecting the right folder. This part is crucial since choosing a specific location on your computer will help you easily find the file later. You can create a new folder if needed, or choose an existing one that you've set up for organizing your MetaTrader files or financial data. Next, look towards the bottom of the window where you'll see the File Type option. Click on this to bring up a small list of file formats. You want to select CSV, which stands for Comma Separated Values. This format is popular for its simplicity and flexibility, allowing you to view and edit the data using standard spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. After selecting the CSV option, follow any on-screen prompts that may appear. These prompts could ask you to confirm or specify any additional details for your file saving preferences. It's important to make sure everything lines up with what you need, especially if there are settings that affect the data's format or the file's content. Once you've completed these steps, confirm your selections and the chart data will be saved in CSV format to the location you've chosen.